that your prophet, peace be upon him, did he have mother and father? Yes, he had a mother and father. Did Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him, have mother and father? No. He had a mother but no father. So who's greater? A person who's born without father is greater, a person who's born without a father is greater. Who's greater? You only smile. No, we are great. They ask the next question. Did your Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, did he give life to the dead? We have to agree. The Prophet did many miracles, but we don't know of any miracle in which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave life to the dead. They ask the next question. Did Jesus, peace be upon him, give life to the dead? You have to say yes. The Quran says, Bismillah, wake up in the name of Allah. The Quran says Jesus Christ gave life to the dead, peace be upon him. So who's greater? A person who can give life to the dead is greater, or a person who can't give life to the dead is greater? Who's greater? Who's greater? These Christian missionaries, they are using us Muslims like punching bags, like doormats, and we can't even open our mouth. Oh, Dr. Zakir, please be soft. They are punching us. They are using us like doormats. We can't even open our mouth. The Muslims are so afraid.